So, you want to replace the PSU of your TV. You only need a single Phillips screwdriver and a buddy to help you move the TV. First things first, you're going to want to unplug your TV and also leave it unplugged for a while before you begin. This allows for any internal charge in the circuits to dissipate. To be extra safe, you can just leave it overnight. So, to work on the TV, you're going to need to lay it down somewhere. I used the original box that I kept around in case I'd need to have it repaired. So I pretty much just put the box next to the TV upright and tipped it over. To remove the stand, you need to remove the back cover. There are 4 screws you need to unscrew and then the stand will come right off. Next, you'll need to unscrew the power cord cover and then you can pop it off like so. The cover is kind of attached to the cord, so don't pull on it too much. Just let it hang there for now. There are 2 screws at the bottom of the panel. Unscrew those. There are an additional 2 screws on the panel where the stand was attached. Also take care of those. Now you can start pulling on the bottom of the panel. Work your way from the inside out on either side. For the top of the panel, just jiggle the panel side to side while pulling it towards yourself. It may be a bit stubborn, just don't give up. Now pay attention to the power cord cover. Just slide it in through the back panel. Cool, look at that beauty. So this board here is the power supply and we will start by unplugging the PSU cord connector. Out of all the connectors, this one gave me the most trouble. So yeah, FYI. Then unplug all the other components. After this, the board is still fixed to the panel by 6 screws, so take them out. Now you can finally replace it. Out with the old, in with the new. And that's that. Now reassembly time. Screw everything back in, plug all the connectors. Make sure you plug them in their correct spots. It's time to close the panel up. Pass the cord through the hole in the panel, then pass the cord cover through. Make sure everything is aligned properly. And start clipping everything in. Snap that cord cover in and then just screw everything back together. That's pretty much it. There's our beautiful standby light. And that's it.